Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 4 Exogenetic Processes. Our today's topic is Work of Groundwater and Landforms. Let's discuss about the work of groundwater. The rainwater seeps below the earth's surface through porous rocks or cracks in the rocks. Porous rocks means it is a one kind of sedimentary rock which has small holes on the surface of the rock. Because of the small holes on the surface of the porous rocks accumulate rainwater in it. This water accumulates in the non-porous layer of the rock, and this accumulated water is called groundwater. In simple words, what is meant by groundwater? Water which is accumulated under the ground is called groundwater. The soluble minerals in the water get dissolved and flow with the groundwater. What are called soluble minerals? Soluble minerals means minerals those are easily getting dissolved in water. Some minerals are getting dissolved very easily in the water. These minerals are called soluble minerals. As they dissolve in the water, they flow along with the groundwater. And this process is called the erosional work of the groundwater. Groundwater fills the spaces between soil particles and fractured rock beneath the earth's surface. Due to the erosional work of groundwater, there are created some landforms such as limestone cave, sinkhole, etc. As like the other agents, groundwater also does work in three types: erosional work, transportational work, and depositional work. When the groundwater evaporates or the volume of soluble minerals is more than the solubility of the groundwater, the deposition of dissolved minerals starts. This is called the transportational and depositional work of groundwater. It means when the groundwater evaporates, soluble minerals remain underground and they are deposited underground. Due to such kind of deposition, there are created some landforms. Landforms like stalactites and stalagmite and caves. These landforms are created due to the transportational and depositional work of groundwater. Now we are going to discuss about groundwater table. What is mean by groundwater table? The upper surface of the water accumulated below the ground is called the water table. It means the level of water under the ground is called water table. As per the availability of water, we can determine the water table. Some factors are greatly affected to the level of water table. Factors like seasons, porosity of rocks. Porosity means capacity to absorb water of the rock, amount of rainfall, etc. The water table is closer to the ground during rainy seasons, while it is deeper in the summers. In rainy season, groundwater level is up. It is near to the ground, near to the surface because of the rainfall. Whereas in summer, the level of groundwater is low, it is down because in summer temperature is hot and humid. Therefore, groundwater level goes down in summer. Find out where are limestone caves, stalactites and stalagmites found in Maharashtra. Answer is limestone caves, stalactites and stalagmites are found at Kannur Plateau in Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra. Question number 2. Why are the landforms formed in the limestone called karst? Answer. The karst is a limestone region located near Adriatic Sea. Many landforms formed in limestone are found in this region. These landforms are studied on a large scale. Therefore, the landforms formed in limestone are called karst. Next activity is here. Think about it. Ramu has to dig a well in his farm, but he is in dilemma as to which season he should dig so that there is a water supply for a longer time. What will you suggest to Ramu? Answer. We will suggest Ramu to dig a well in summer season. The water table is deeper in the summers and so a well dug in summers will be very deep. This deep well is to provide water supply not only in monsoon and winter but also in summer season. Thus, a deep well dug in summer will provide water supply for longer time. Give it a try. See the pictures of landforms produced by the work of groundwater. Write in the box below them whether they are formed through the work of erosion or deposition. Here is given the picture of sinkhole. It is a one kind of landform. This landform is created due to the erosional work of groundwater. Here are given some landforms such as stalactite, stalagmite and cave. These landforms are created due to the depositional work of groundwater. Identify the landforms formed by groundwater in the given diagram. Students, you have to do this activity by own. In this way, we have seen today the work of groundwater and landforms. Thank you.